Are you trying to stay warm on camping trips, road trips, or in a workshop without breaking the bank? Diesel heaters are compact, efficient, and surprisingly affordable, and today I'm breaking down the top options. Today, I'm going to be going over the best diesel heaters that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Orion Motor Tech Diesel Heater. From the moment you unbox it, the rugged housing and clearly labeled controls signal rugged reliability for outdoor enthusiasts and RV owners alike. Its steel and reinforced plastic shell feels solid in the hand, while compact dimensions fit under benches or behind dashboards without showroom bulk. Designed for off-grid cabins, vans and campers that need reliable heat without electricity at remote sites during power outages. It runs on diesel and includes automatic shut-off, overheat protection, and a compact fuel line kit that ensures safe, easy installation. The control panel is intuitive with a digital display showing temperature and boost settings, making adjustments straightforward even in cold environments. Frequent users will appreciate the flexible installation options, including horizontal and vertical exhaust and mounting hardware that fits odd spaces. It ships with a compact mounting footprint that tucks neatly behind cabinetry or in a cargo area, saving space. During cold starts, the heater reaches its rated output swiftly, heating a small cabin within minutes and maintaining stable temperatures despite drafts. In continuous operation, it balances efficiency with burn rate, delivering steady warmth while conserving diesel through smart preheating and season-appropriate cycling. Edge temperatures and vibration resistance were tested, and the unit kept running without failure, a testament to its rugged build. When compared to the S-Bar D2, the Orion delivers similar heat output at a lower price, though install complexity can vary. The pros include affordable price, robust construction, and straightforward installation. The cons include noticeably noisy operation and venting requirements that can complicate installation, demanding careful routing and professional attention in tight spaces. Beyond the initial purchase, the Orion offers reasonable warranty terms and accessible customer support that helps troubleshoot installation and performance questions. For budget-minded buyers seeking dependable diesel heating, this unit offers a compelling mix of features, value, and practical installation flexibility. At number 4, we have the Gearlasso Diesel Heater. From the moment you unbox the Gearlasso Diesel Heater, you notice the rugged finish and organized component layout promising long service. Its target audience includes serious campers, RV travelers, overland explorers, and tiny home enthusiasts seeking dependable warmth without bulky, space-hogging equipment. Its exterior is a sturdy metal shell with precise seams, and the footprint measures 14 by 8 by 6 inches for tight install spaces. The design also incorporates integrated mounting points, heat shield, and a compact air intake that minimize heat loss and streamline wiring. Dimension and weight distribution are balanced to avoid sag in dashboards, with versatile orientation options that suit different vehicle layouts. The heater delivers an adjustable heat range from 0.9 to 4.2 kilowatts, enabling both rapid warming and energy-efficient steady-state comfort. It integrates a compact fuel pump and glow plug ignition, supporting quick startup even in sub-freezing conditions and cold engine bays. The control interface includes LED indicators and a simple dial, while the venting and safety shutoff systems prioritize reliability. In real-world testing, the Gearlasso typically reaches comfortable cabin temperatures within minutes and maintains steady warmth under varied ambient conditions. During long cold snaps in a covered RV, it held a consistent 68 to 72 degrees with minimal fan noise and vibration. Operationally efficient and compact, the heater demonstrated quiet performance thanks to optimized airflow and shielded exhaust routes in tight spaces. Compared to the Webasto 5T200, the Gearlasso diesel heater offers faster heat response and easier installation, especially in irregular vehicle interiors. The pros include rapid heat up, compact installation kit, and efficient fuel usage. The cons include higher price and regular maintenance required. At number 3, we have the Brearo diesel heater, a compact, power-dense solution tailored for off-grid warmth and demanding vehicle installations. From the moment you unbox, you notice thoughtful packaging and a user-friendly interface aimed at campers, boaters, and remote work sites. Constructed with a rugged steel chassis and a powder-coated finish, it communicates durability while remaining relatively light for portable setups. The case dimensions fit snugly into standard 12-volt compartments, while mounting brackets provide flexible orientation for dashboards, cabins, or insulated enclosures. The intake and exhaust ports are thoughtfully sized to balance efficiency and safety, reducing debris ingress while maintaining steady airflow in tight spaces. The internal layout minimizes heat soak and helps maintain consistent performance even when mounted in awkward angles inside tighter installations. Inside, a compact diesel burner pair with electronic ignition delivers rapid heat with low emissions, while integrated safety sensors monitor flame activity. A programmable timer, precise thermostat, and variable fan speed allow personalized comfort while maintaining fuel efficiency during extended use. The heater's rated BTU output reaches 7,000 BTU, empowering quick warmth in modest spaces without overwhelming small interiors. During field tests, it reliably heated a camper van within minutes while maintaining steady operation despite ambient cold snaps and windy drafts. Fuel consumption remained competitive, and the ignition system lit reliably on first attempt after initial priming, even in damp conditions. In practice, users report minimal fuel odor, manageable exhaust heat, and straightforward wiring harnesses that integrate with existing 12-volt systems without headaches. Compared to the rival Heat X, the Brearo diesel heater warms faster, runs quieter, and offers a more compact footprint overall. The pros include strong build that absorbs impacts gracefully, long battery life for extended trips, and sleek design that blends with modern interiors. The cons include higher price compared to basic models, and a slightly louder fan under maximum heat, which may deter budget-focused buyers. At number 2, we have the Brearo diesel air heater, and its compact profile immediately signals a practical, space-conscious design. From first glance, the unit suggests a focus on easy installation, straightforward operation, and broad compatibility with common van and RV systems. Despite its compact footprint, the unit weighs under 10 kilograms, a critical consideration for imperfect mounting surfaces and transport logistics. The control panel is clearly laid out with intuitive knobs, and a modular duct connection promises flexible on-site installation. Its housing uses brushed metal finishes that resist scratches and show durability even in rough vehicle environments daily. Dimension-wise, the heater maintains a compact cubic envelope, enabling discrete under-dash or cabinet mounting without crowding critical cables. Its mounting footprint is designed to align with common 12-volt power inputs, minimizing additional brackets and reducing installation complexity. Despite robust construction, the unit remains relatively lightweight for its class, aiding portable setups and quick swaps between vehicles. Under the hood, a fuel-efficient burner couples with a high-torque blower to deliver steady airflow across vents. Smart temperature control uses closed-loop feedback to minimize fuel use while maintaining consistent cabin warmth even in drafty environments. It supports multiple fuel supply options, including separate diesel sources and integrated fuel pumps, giving installers flexibility for various rig configurations. During controlled testing, the Brearo maintained rapid warm-up times and consistent heat output across a wide ambient range. In real-world trials, technicians noted stable operation after long idle periods and minimal fuel consumption relative to competitor units. Compared with a leading S-Bar D2 model, the Brearo offers quieter operation and quicker installation, but at a higher initial price. The pros include excellent build quality, flexible installation options that suit various vehicle layouts, and efficient fuel use under typical operating conditions. The cons include a higher price than entry-level heaters and slightly heavier weight than competing compact models. At number 1, we have the Gearlasso diesel parking heater. From the moment you unbox it, the unit feels purpose-built for rugged, mobile setups that thrive in remote environments. This fast, practical device immediately communicates its intended audience as adventure drivers and remote workers seeking reliable comfort. It seems tailored for RVs, vans, and tiny houses where heat is not a luxury but a necessity. The enclosure presents a robust metal shell with reinforced mounting brackets and thoughtfully sealed connectors that resist dust and moisture. Its compact footprint measures just under 12 by 8 by 6 inches, enabling installation in tight engine bays or cabinetry. The mounting system offers adjustable brackets and vibration dampening, reducing shake under vehicle operation and preserving alignment over rough terrain. Inside, a high-efficiency combustion chamber promises rapid warm-up while consuming minimal fuel for greater range between fill-ups. Standout feature includes a programmable timer and remote start integration that allows preconditioning of the cabin before you arrive. It supports multiple fuel types and includes protective anti-backflow valves, enhancing reliability in varying climate conditions and fuel quality. During testing, it delivered a noticeable heat rise in under 10 minutes and maintained stable cabin warmth even at low engine RPM. In cold snaps, the unit held steady performance down to -20 Celsius, with minimal fuel consumption versus competing units. Noise output stayed within acceptable automotive HVAC levels during idle and cruising, preserving cabin comfort without distracting engine noises. When compared against a leading rival, the Gearlasso offered faster warm-up and simpler wiring harness integration for DIY installers. The pros include excellent build quality that withstands harsh conditions, rapid heat-up for instant cabin comfort, and flexible installation with mounting options. The cons include higher price compared to rivals and requires professional installation, which may complicate early setup for hobbyists.